Hey guys, I would like to talk to you about a trade today. This is a trade on crude oil futures on the US futures market. I'm working with a prop firm called Trader. This is a prop firm that actually evaluates your trading skills, and depending on the subscription that you have made, they fund you. Actually, the funding ranges from $30,000 to $150,000. The link is given in the description below. Do check it out, and it's a great program because uh, you have a lot of parameters that actually keep you disciplined in your trading. So do check it out. Okay, so let's go to the trade now. This here is a crude oil 5 minutes chart. Let me place the context in picture on the daily time frame. Okay, we have had a very strong rejection from the lows, from the historical lows on the daily time frame, and we have seen the rally towards the $40 now. Okay, so if we actually see, the most recent swing is extremely strong, and it's towards the upside, and the rally is actually hitting the resistance now. Although that is a little worrisome, that shouldn't bother me much because daily time frame is just a higher time frame context. Okay, what I see on the hourly is something that I don't like because with just 2 minutes to close on the hourly candle, I'm seeing a very strong rejection at the highs, which is something that I do not like, and which is something where I do not engage the markets. But since it triggered me into the trade, I'm taking the trade anyways. Okay, so yeah, there's a pre-marked level that I actually had, and the price pulled back to the level and give me a signal to actually enter. And yeah, so if you see on the hourly, low time frame, which is 1 minute now, it has pulled back to the level. Let me just go to 5 minutes and just explain a little bit on the 5 minutes. Okay, so I've had this pullback towards the pre-mark level that you can see on the chart. Okay, and I've got a rejection immediately backing my trade bias. So I took the entry once I saw uh, a very good risk, and since there's been a range for the day at the highs, this actually points me towards uh, the breakout towards the upside. Okay, so that is why I actually enter this trade, and LTF is also, lower time frame is also backing me on this by giving a rejection of this pre-mark level. Let me just pause the video for a while and come back once there is a progress on the trade. Okay, so yeah, I'm back, and if you actually see, the price pulled within 1 or 2 ticks away from my stop loss and then started moving up again. The alias closed red, and let me adjust this target here because sometimes there'll be a huge top run towards the upside once the high is broken. So I might as well capitalize if I actually get the trade moving in my direction. Normally this doesn't look good because of that rejection closing strong towards downside. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. LTF has given a rejection here from my level, but that doesn't still convince me. I need the price to come out of this consolidation here. Okay, so 5 minutes is showing some strength, but let me come back when there's a progress on the trade. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so my trade has hit my stop loss, and I'm taking a re-entry here because I'm seeing a rejection. So let me just wait for the close of this candle. Okay, so let me just place the order here. Okay, so yeah, what I see now is a pullback into my level and a rejection again. The close on that LTF below my level is not a good sign, but I'm taking a re-entry anyway because there is a chance that this trade might this trade might actually break towards the upside in a very strong way. Okay, so LTF is giving some reaction to my level. All I want is it to break these consolidation highs. I mean, this consolidation on the 5 minutes, if we can actually see this bundle of candles, I wanted to break above the highs and pull back into this zone again and move up. Okay, so this is something that I'm expecting. So yeah, let me just come back if there's a progress on this trade again. All right, let me just quickly explain what I expect out of this trade. Okay, I don't normally take a second entry in these cases, but anyways, I've taken. For now, all I want the price to do is break this consolidation on the 5 minutes and pull back into the region and rally. This region obviously is a buy zone, a demand zone, basically for the bulls. If they're strong enough, then they will hold this region and then they'll push the price towards the upside. Okay, so let me just readjust these lines to appear on all the charts, and let me show you how it looks on the lower time frame. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Let me go on to the low time frame. Okay, so if you actually see, the price should move up from here, pull back into the zone, and break the highs of the day. Okay, so but I don't really expect the price to actually continue towards the upside because the early is actually not on my side. So let me just come back and update you regarding the trade. Okay, so the trade has hit my stop loss and I do not think I'll be continuing to trade today. Okay, so this has violated my premise, and that's just about it. I don't really go on for the next levels to actually take the trade. This is also giving me a confirmation of a swing towards downside, so I would just call it a day. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. If there's anything else, I will come back and update you guys. Okay, good day everyone.